Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mahashakti Rishwa. So my name is Maha and today I'm creating this absolutely stunning look for the upcoming festivals Pongal and Shankranti. So happy Pongal and Shankranti as well as glory to everybody celebrating. So without wasting further time, let's get started. To this look, I already prepared my face with a moisturizer and today I have used drops of light from the day cream serum. And it's been about 20 minutes, so now I'm going to be using primer and this is from Rimmel Lasting Finish and I'm going to apply in the area where I'll be using the foundation like my face and neck. So I'll be focusing more on my place where I have fine lines and pores. And now it's time for foundation. So I'll be using from NYX Professional Makeup. So from the shade Warm. This does give an airbrush finish look as it says from the shade Warm. So let's get a medium coverage. So I'll be using very little because we still want to go for a natural glow. So I don't want to kick out here and there a few drops. So I'm gonna blend it out using a brush generously all over my face and neck. And next I'm gonna conceal and highlight my face, and today I'm using Rimmel again Match Perfection from shade 030 Classic Ivory, and this almost have my skin tone, so mostly I'm gonna use little heavy under my eyes, in my forehead, top of the nose, in the cheekbones and in chin. And this product has beautiful glow to it naturally, so something about this product, they all have a glow to them, so I like to use this Rimmel especially when I want a natural glow. So I'm gonna blend it out really well using a brush instead of sponge because it makes my work easy. Once it's done, then using a loose powder and again from Rimmel Match Perfection, I'm gonna set my entire face, and I'm using very less powder, just enough to prevent my concealer and foundation from creasing because I still wanna go for a natural look. I don't wanna kick off any products on my face. Before we move on to the eye makeup, I'm gonna correct my eyebrows, and today I'm using Max Factor X Pro Shaper from shade Deep Brown. So to begin with my eye makeup, I'm gonna use concealer at the base to cover my dark circle and under eyes. Smoothen it out using a sponge. And to begin with my eye makeup, today I'm using a Sweet Like of shadow palette, and to begin with I am using a Candid shade as my transition first, and with a blending brush I'm going to blend this in my crease and also in my lower lash line, because as we are going for a delicate peach cold look, I'm going to use mild matte peach shade as a base first, as I'm gonna apply all over my lid using a flat fluffy brush. You can also use a blush if you want. And for glitter, I'm taking Pop right in with my finger, and I'm going to focusing in the center of my lid because this is a place where I want the maximum intense of the shimmer, and I'm going to blend out the edges using the fluffy brush again. And using a pink glitter from Maybelline, I'm going to deepen the outer corner, and also I'm going to intensify my lower lash line using the same eyeshadow. And to highlight my brows and inner corners, I'm going to dip into the Sahara again to highlight my brow bones and also the inner corners. Once it is done, I'm going to line my top lash line using a Rimmel eyeliner, and as usual the way I like the liner to be. And once it's done, I'm going for the lower lash line, and I'm going to create a bold kajal look. And to prepare my natural eyelash, I'm going to curl it and apply a mascara before I jump onto the false eyelash. For false eyelash, and today I have used from the Aldi Wispys, and this is one of the best false lash I have used, and it's unlike other lashes. Next step is contouring. To add some structure to my face, I'm gonna contouring it using a cream contour from Maybelline Contour Stick, and and it also comes with a highlighter actually. So I'm going to be using in the usual areas, the hollows with my cheekbones, my jawline and forehead, and I just gonna warm up just by tapping little on my finger and use it to contour my nose, as a stick contour and stick foundation normally has thicker consistency. And now I'm going to apply a bronzer over the contour from the product Technique Face Fix, and once it's done I'm going for a blush and I'm applying very generously over my cheekbones in the apples of my cheeks. And once it's done I'm applying a shimmering powder under my eyes, in my chin and in my forehead. And finally for the glow in my cheekbones I'm using a highlighter from the Wet n Wild, and I'm applying it over my jawlines, forehead, nose, in my chin, and this is one of my favorite steps. Finally, I'm gonna end my makeup with my beautiful lipstick, and today I have used Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours from the shade Peach, and this is one of my favorite lipstick ever. And after doing all this makeup, this is one of the important step, and applying a fixing spray to last long. And today I have used from the Revolution makeup fix spray. To compromise my makeup, I'm going for the very simple hairstyle with poof at the back, and I have taken a partition in the front, and I'm going to make some fluffy look in the front, and I'm going to secure it with a pin each side. Wow, it's almost done. But even though I feel complete only after I kept my bindi, so that's it, it's perfect now. And for your reference, I have added all the product list in the description box, so please do check it for more reference. So that's it, and happy Pongal to you all once again, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So see you all on my next video. Until tata, bye bye.